Hello friends, so today I'm gonna show you how to make colorful balls which gonna look like this. So let's start with coding. Create, and this is our workplace and we don't want a cat sprite, so we're gonna delete it, and then we're gonna make our own sprite which is gonna be just a red circle. So here we are going to draw a circle in a red color. It should be a little big. You can take any color. And now my circle is ready. Now we are going to add some codes in this. So first we're gonna add when green flag click, go in looks and then choose hide block. Then you have to go in control and then you have to take repeat block. So you have to repeat it 400 times, and in repeat block you have to add create clone of myself. You could repeat it 400 times or else you can add a forever block also. Now next what we have to do is when I start as clone, here we have to add a show block. After the show block, go to random position in the motion, go to random position. Then we have to fix its size and color. So let's go and looks and then we have to get set size to and set color to. So we're gonna take set, first we're gonna take set color to, then go in operations and pick random 1 to 10. So instead of 1 to 10, we're gonna add 20 to 100. 20 to 100. And then we're gonna set size. Here the set size is. And then set size should be also random. So I will duplicate it and add it over here. After this, we have to again go in control and there we have to take a repeat block and then set host effect to 20. Set host effect to 20. And this should be repeated 4 times. And after this, delete this clone. So let's see how this works. Oh, this has been turned into a very different type of pattern. Here it shows 3 blocks. So this has been a very different kind of pattern, satisfying pattern. So hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.